In this video, let's take a look at the way that you share files on Signal. The process of sharing files in Signal is a simple process which you can simply access within a chat conversation. Whether you're using a mobile phone or a desktop, you can easily send files inside of a particular chat. So what you want to do is open up a chat where you want to send in files, and in order to send in files, you'll see the plus icon on the right hand side. You can just tap on this option, and then you'll see the option called file right here. You can just tap on this option and you'll be able to choose from different options such as photos, videos, normal files, or even contacts as well. So you can just tap on this option and then you'll be able to select the file from your phone. This could be any type of file that you can send through Signal. Once you select a file, it is going to display, and you can make a few changes to this as well, such as add in a text message and then change in the quality of the file as well if this is an image. So once all of that is done, you can tap on the send option on the bottom right, and this file will be immediately sent. You can repeat the process for other types of file as well if you're trying to send other files to other people as well. So that's all it takes in sharing files inside of Signal. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.